Right, guys. Something thinking. Since we're not really last night, I came back sneakily. I hid in my house. I'm just walking down a little lane. Sorry, I've just been running. Across the road. I've crossed the road. Being hidden cameras in there, stalking anybody who trespasses. So I'm just doing a little vlog. Doing some of my friends' lanes. I'm recording this. I didn't like how he looked at me. I can't get kidnapped. I'm only 8 years old. Only. Hi. Right. It's great. I was waving. Keep on crossing the road. That guy was actually friendly. I just didn't know it. So, I actually don't know what I'm gonna do on this vlog, but I'm soaking wet. It's so wet. So, I'm just gonna. Oh my, it's so wet up here. Blue car. How's that flying? Vlogging. So what are we? He keeps looking back at me. And we don't like it. It's almost as if he senses. It's like when he looks back to look at him. Oh my, he just looks back. Well, what do I care? It could be a stalker. But I did. Hope you didn't know that's the dog walker's house. Oh, speak of the devil. Oh my god. Slippery. Together. Also, in case you were wondering, I am not a girl. I'm a boy. I may look like a girl sometimes, but I'm wearing Adidas. Or is it Adidas? Adidas, I'm just going to call it. Oh. So it turns out the rain is really good. Needed on Christmas. Oh, it's squishy. This is actually becoming a habit. Oh, it stinks. So, what did I do? Climbing over a fence. I'm really being an idiot sometimes. Kinda. Cold. Well, I think I'm going to end off the stream here. Handball. It's kind of a weird vlog. Okay, no one's watching. Just threw a rock at that guy's window. I'm a criminal. I'm a criminal. Huh. Boy plastic. Well, why do I care? Well, I'm gonna end off this vlog here, guys. If you all liked it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye!